Here we present to you our RFID token-based appointment calling system. To set up the system, you have to press 2 and the settings menu will appear. Here you have to choose whether to press 1 for the buzzer on or press 2 for the buzzer off. You can go back to the settings menu by pressing 3. To register your appointment, you have to press 1 and scan your RFID. The system will register your appointment accordingly. Here we are pressing the red button to start the appointment process. To access the registered appointment, you will have to scan your RFID as per your given token number starting from 1. If your token number matches the current number, access will be granted. If your token number doesn't matches the current number, access will be denied. To move on to the next token number, you have to press the red button again. Let us check out the working of the system.
Access granted. Access granted. Access granted.
Access denied. Access denied.
Access